So I've been trying to get the other planets for quite a while. And most of the time when I do, the SeeStar just tells me it can't see them. But the other day, it finally captured a few planets. And so Saturn was one of the planets that I captured. And I was a little bit disappointed in it because it just it looks like you can see the brightness of it, but I was hoping to be able to see the star, like the rings around and everything. And I couldn't quite see that yet, but I guess that means I just have to keep trying to image it. So Saturn is a massive ball of hydrogen and helium, and it's the furthest planet from the Earth that was actually discovered by the unaided human eye. I have trouble just seeing it with my telescope, so I can't even imagine how somebody could see it without having telescopes. But it's been around for a long time, and it was actually named for the Roman god of agriculture and wealth, and that was also the father of Jupiter. And so it's a really big planet. 9 Earths side by side would almost span Saturn's diameter, and that doesn't even count the rings. But it is 886 million miles away from the sun, so it is a little bit dim, and it has 10.7 hours to rotate on its axis, so it takes 29 Earth years to orbit the sun. So it's got short days, but a long year. It is a gas giant planet, so it doesn't have a solid surface unlike Earth's, but they don't know for sure because they might have like some kind of a solid core somewhere in there, but they're not sure. And it's like we said before, it's made up of hydrogen and helium, and it has 53 known moons with an additional 29 moons possibly waiting confirmation. So it might actually have like 82 moons, which is just like insane to me. When we think about how like we have our one moon, it has seven rings with the gaps and divisions in between them. And we haven't been able to go there very often. There's been very few missions to Saturn. It can't support life, but some of the moons might possibly be able to. So it's just really cool. I'm hoping at some point that I can hoping I'll keep catching it every so often, and maybe someday I'll get the rings, or maybe I just need a stronger telescope than the Sea Star to catch all that. But it was pretty cool, like actually for the first time being able to capture it and get an image a little bit.